United States Army Colonel Paul Calvos relieved Colonel Robert Mundell as commander, Regional Support Command North, during a change of command ceremony held at the Afghan National Army's 209th Corps headquarters at Camp Shaheen, Afghanistan, on June 29, 2010. German Army Colonel Ralph Naflowski will serve as the Coalition Forces co-commander of RSC North. Colonel Mundell received the Bronze Star for exceptional meritorious service while deployed in support of Operation Enduring Freedom, and said that commanding this unit has been one of the most rewarding positions of his career. General Murad Ali Murad, commander of the ANA 209th Corps, praised the accomplishments of Colonel Mundell, stating how influential he has been in the development and sustainment of Afghan national security forces. From here, Colonel Mundell will report to the U.S. Army War College at Carlisle Barracks, Pennsylvania, as a faculty instructor for the Department of Command, Leadership, and Management.